6 minus 2 gives us 4, right? Yes, of course, it is right. And then 6 minus 3 also gives us 3. Is it right? Yes, of course, it is right. But 3 times 4 gives us 12. And do you think that's the right answer for this expression? I would say, unfortunately, no, because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. And that's the trap of order of operations. You didn't follow the correct order. Then yes, we do have an order of operations in mathematics. So what is this order of operations? This is something called PEMDAS. So for God's sake, never be lost, learn PEMDAS. Sounds like Saul Goodman, right? So what is PEMDAS? PEMDAS stands for, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So that's a very curved arrow, but this is an arrow that shows the priority. So here we have the highest and here we have the lowest priority. It means that you must do parentheses at first, then exponents, then multiplication and division. MD or DM doesn't matter because they have the same priority. Go from left to right. And then addition and subtraction, go from left to right. So now with this in mind, let's revisit our original problem. Do we have any parentheses? No, we don't. Do we have any exponents? No, we don't. We just have subtraction and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. That's why we can say 6 minus 3 gives us 3, or 6 minus 2 gives us 4, because we must do this part at first. So with this in mind, let's do that again. So 6 minus 3 times 6 gives us 18, right? And then 18 minus 2. That's way different from the one that we did at first. So it's just subtraction, go from left to right. 6 minus 18 gives us minus 12. And minus 12 minus 2 gives us minus 14. And that's the only correct answer. So as your homework, what would the answer be if we had this part inside a bracket and squared? So make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below. Please like the video and subscribe to Prime Logic if you haven't already. And see you on our next video.